Today we'll be installing the new Torklift ApexAnchor part number C5202 in-bed camper tie-downs. These tie-downs bolt directly to your truck's frame and pop up out of its bed. Concealable when out of use, these provide the strongest mounting option possible for your slide-in camper. If you enjoy this video, consider leaving it a like and subscribing for any future installs.
So first step, we're going to start with pre-assembling the drill template to the tie-down using the 3/8 bolts and nuts that you are later going to use to mount the receiver. Now using a 9/16 socket, we're going to snug up the bolts so that the template does not shift while drilling the hole. Then we're going to start with removing 2 factory bolts, one for the bed, one for the overload spring hanger, using an 18mm socket. Then, with reusing the factory hardware, we're going to hang the tie-down and drill template off of those same 2 factory bolts. Then using the same 18mm socket, we're going to retighten those factory bolts so that the tie-down sits against the frame. Now using the supplied 1/4-inch drill bit, we're going to drill up through the drill template and through the bottom of the edge of the bed. Now before we drill the 2-inch hole on the top side of the bed, we are going to remove the tie-down and drill template. Now using a 2-inch hole saw, we are going to drill up through the bottom side of the bed using the 1/4-inch hole you just drilled as your guide. Now before mounting the receiver back up onto the frame, go ahead and insert your skirt from the lower side of the bed. Using a 15/16 socket, we're going to go ahead and loosen up the leaf spring bolt just to about a 1/4 inch gap so that you can install the tie-down. Now we're going to go ahead and remove the drill template and start to pre-assemble our tie-down. Using the 3/8 bolt and washer, we're going to go ahead and assemble the receiver to the tie-down. Then we are also going to pre-assemble the lower strap using 3/8 bolts, washers, and flange nuts. And we are going to leave these hand tight for now for final adjustment. Now we're going to go and take the whole assembly and hang it off of those same bolts that you removed before while sliding the lower brace around the leaf spring bolt. Now starting with the 18mm bolts, factory bolts, we're going to tighten those up to the frame to snug the tie down. Then we're going to use the 15/16 bolt to tighten up the leaf spring bolt while pushing up on the receiver so that it sits against the bolt. Then we can finish up with tightening up all of the 3/8 hardware using a 14mm socket.
Once installed, simply pull up on the insert and twist to lock into position. Your Apex anchors are now ready for your next adventure.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.